Hello everyone, today I'm gonna review two different perfumes from same brand Zudio. So I'm gonna tell you which one is better and which one you should buy first. So I have two perfumes in competition. I have this one, Mexico Zudio men perfume, and this one, Candy Bloom from Zudio, same. This is women's perfume. The difference is that I am comparing two perfumes. The difference is, one big difference is in here is that one is man perfume and one is women's perfume. So I'm gonna unbox this one first because I don't have its outer packaging now. I just throw it up. It has been like a couple of months that I've bought it up. So I'm just gonna take off this packaging really fast so you can see what is inside it. I'm gonna compare it on some few bases. Like you can see how beautiful this perfume is. Look at its packaging. Okay, it's good, but of course it's winning a point for it. Okay, so let's start. So for first, I'm gonna compare it on its packaging. I'm talking about this packaging, not the outer packaging. We will compare it on the outer packaging too. So let's start from this. Before I start the video, let me tell you that this is non-sponsored video. Zudio did not pay me money for like comparing it both its perfumes. Like it could be like more better if I've compared two different perfumes and comparing one perfume because I don't have any other perfume. It doesn't mean I don't have any other perfume. I have many. I'm gonna compare other ones too really soon. So if you like this video, kindly comment, like, and subscribe it to my channel. And let's begin it. So I have these two perfumes up here. This is Mexico. I have told you earlier. So you can see its packaging. It's like normal rectangle packaging. It's very good packaging. It looks beautiful. The color coordination is good too. You can see the inner, it's black in color, and same, the outer packaging is like a greenish blue. I cannot explain the color. Like in camera you can see a blue, but it's not blue actually. It's green, like sea green, not sea green. It's a type of greenish blue. Okay, so up here I have this. If I forgot to tell, the perfume is clear. Only the packaging is in blue color. In here we have same. We have this light bubble pink cap with the perfume in it. The perfume is very beautiful in color. Like you can see is little bit more pinkish. It's little peachy pink, type of peach pink, and the packaging is type of little funky, and you can see it's so like, like crumbly. I just don't want to break it. It's very good, like little small little hair, so I can keep it up anywhere. And you can see now it's good. So 1 point goes to here, but before I give the point, you can see as the cover is pink in color and it's black inside. It's good, but I wanted it to be in different color a bit, the black, and they're not giving it. So even the cap should be little bit, no, like change the cap. They should have put some efforts on the cap so that I could like give it a more points. I'm giving 50-50 to both. As of color coordination it's better, but as of designing it's better. So 1 point goes to pink. So in second, I'm gonna compare it on its price. Both costs 299 rupees. These two, if you don't believe me, you can see up here. They both cost 299. It's super cheap for these beautiful two perfumes. They both smell very good. I feel in for its smell, they should have not kept the name Candy Bloom. It should more be like in rosy name, because it smells like light roses. You can say, I cannot explain this, like it's so different. You can check any of those videos, but I cannot explain it in my way. It's good, but not as much as it is. I'm not going any partiality in gender or anything, but this one is better. I have tried many more perfumes in there, but I felt like this was better than this one. So let's compare it on one or two things more. The thing is, like when we apply perfume, many times we notice we get more alcohol type of smell, which does not like good amplify on our body. Like you can see, if I use both of this perfume, am I getting the more rosy or like this Mexico type of smell, or I'm just getting different, like just alcohol on upon it. We cannot even like smell the perfume up here. So in that basis you can see this one and this one is like fully good. When even when I spray it, like if I just spray and just smell it just the way, like it just smell like roses. But here I have little problem with it. Zudio, kindly fix it. It's not as much as worth it as this one. Like you can buy any other, like Tokyo one was better than it. I've tried it, but let's go on it. So we get, as I gave 50-50 to both in first, so I gave one on the color coordination, one here, and one on the like this designing, one here. So they both have 1 point. Let's give one more point to this cherry bloom. So now let me just finish this video off by saying to something studios that just change its cap or put some efforts on its cap and here just put efforts on its like ingredients, change the ingredients up here. As you can see, it is so funky, though they could not put any like this type of mark up here, so they gave me this. It was like this, and when I purchased it, when I unboxed it, you can see I got this type of thing like stick to it there, candy bloom. So the on the last important note, they should change its ingredients, it's like the way it's made, and they should change its like little bit of put some efforts on its cap. So in this video I'm gonna make this candy bloom win. So if you like my video, kindly like, subscribe and share. And if you want more suggestions on these two or any other perfumes, kindly comment it down. I will make part 2 soon. Bye.